In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a product in your online store. If you need to make a quick update to an item you're selling, whether that's changing the title, fixing the description, adjusting the price, updating the stock count, or refreshing the product images, this process is very straightforward once you know where to go. To begin, open your website dashboard and go to the selling area or pages, depending on how your interface is set up. From there, select Store. This will take you to the section where all of your products are listed and managed. If you have a larger catalog, take a moment to locate the exact product you want to change before opening it. This helps avoid editing the wrong item by mistake. Once you've found the product, double-click on the product item you want to edit. That will open the product settings so you can make changes directly to that listing. Inside this editor, you'll typically see several fields and sections that control how the product appears to customers in your store. Now go ahead and update the product information you need to change. You can edit the product title if the name needs to be clearer or more accurate. You can also revise the description to improve the wording, add important details, or correct outdated information. If the item's cost has changed, update the pricing so your store reflects the correct amount. You can also adjust the inventory count, which is especially important if you're tracking stock and want to prevent overselling. If your product includes images, this is also where you can update the image gallery. Make sure your visuals are clear, current, and representative of the item. Strong product images can make a big difference in how professional your listing looks and how confident customers feel when purchasing. After reviewing your edits, click Save. This confirms your changes and updates the product in your store. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check the listing afterward to make sure everything appears the way you intended, especially pricing, stock levels, and images. That's all it takes to edit a product in your online store. Once you've done it a few times,